go to the second game. Oh. Let's go to the third game. Let's see, win. Let's go. Yeah, we crushed them 7. Hopefully that'll interest them more. He's the lowest interest. I don't think we'll be recruiting him. He's a junior college. All these guys are high schoolers. He's a junior college transfer. He's a 7-2 capture. That's good. Force 3. Let's go to Arizona. Loss. Win. Rubber match we win. Sweet. Let's go. 4-0. 5-2. 5-4. We win it. Sweet. The number 2 team in the nation. Who's number 1? South Carolina is number 1 with 8 losses. We should be number 1. I think we should be number 1. San Francisco, Lehigh, Florida State, Creighton. Wow. Wichita State's having a good year. Not good. Connecticut, Boston College, Bradley having a good baseball year. They're not going to be. Let's go to the second game. They're going to pitch. Oh, I'm probably giving them the win. Oh, we'll win 2-1. Come on, if we have 8 hits on 10 hits, we win. We earned that win. Let's go to the third game. No. Should be an easy. Oh my gosh. Yep, 4-5. Come on, we win. We win this. No way. We lose 7-10. We're the number 1 team in the nation, and we lost. We lost to a 16-17 team. We lost to a 16-17 team. I don't understand that. Oh my gosh, that's not good for the recruiting. Okay. Let's go to our most. We win, perfect. So 26-7. Think I'll leave it off there. Thank you so much for watching.